Hi everybody, my name is Patrick. I'm from betteraim.com, and this is the MALAFOX Simulation Center, room clearing and target range simulation. And if you haven't already, check out the links below to the previous videos. There's a setup video and two previous simulation demo videos. We've covered straight shooter mode, penalty mode, aggressive penalty mode, reflex mode, and random mode. And today we're going to talk about Simulation 8. We're going to skip a few because the other two that we're skipping are ranged simulations, and we'll get to those next. But right now we're going to talk about Simulation 8, which is stealth mode. Now in stealth mode, we take advantage of the motion sensors on the smart targets. So let's have a quick look at those. This is the version 1 smart target and version 1 motion sensor. As you can see, the motion sensor is plugged in to the smart sensor. It only needs to be plugged in when using stealth mode. You can remove it otherwise, but each sensor on the top is on a swivel, so you can aim in the direction that you want your combatant to be looking in. So in this simulation, when the targets are active, if the target sees you before it's been eliminated, the light on the sensor will turn from blue to red and it will beep at you. If you have not eliminated the target within 1.5 seconds of this happening, the entire simulation will end, all smart targets will turn off, and no score will be logged. For this specific demonstration, I've got data logging turned off, so I will not be entering my name as I run simulations. Paper play is also not enabled. We are not using the coin receptacle. If you want to learn more about those, please see the first demo video, which talks about system setup. So I'll turn on my speaker, and I will turn on the system.
Enter security key.
My security key 1234.
Success. The MALAFOX training system. 10 targets detected. Main menu. Please enter a command into the keypad.
So we are going to enter into quick play mode. Quick play mode. Press 1.
Quick play selected. Select simulation.
We're going to select simulation 8.
Stealth mode selected. Enter the number of required hits per target.
And we'll do 1.
Success. Press the red button to start the simulation.
So once I start the simulation, it will tell me that the smart sensor motion sensors are being calibrated, and I'm going to show you what happens when I get eliminated, and then we'll run through a proper simulation where I kill all the targets before them seeing me, or before them seeing me for long enough that they can eliminate me. So I'll press the red button.
The motion sensors will now be calibrated. Please ensure that the targets are not exposed to motion during this time, as it will cause inaccurate calibration and malfunction. In this simulation, the targets can detect you. Eliminate targets before you are detected. Failing to do so will result in your elimination, and no score will be recorded. Motion sensors are now stable. This simulation begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
So right now that sensor is aiming towards me. I would want to hit it from here, but I'm going to move closer to it. There's also a sensor right around the left side of me, so I'm going to run up here. That one saw me, and that one saw me.
Failure. You have been eliminated. Main menu. Please enter a command into the keypad.
So now let's try to actually eliminate all the targets before I get eliminated.
This simulation begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so now I'm going to have to move very slowly. Got it. Got it. I might run out of ammunition. I was able to get them all. My aim there could have been better, but I was able to complete the simulation.
Your simulation was completed in 0 minutes and 59.97 seconds. You have set a record for simulation 8. Well done.
I've set things up so I'm in replay mode, so all of my settings are saved. I just need to press the red button again, and we'll try this one more time.
The motion sensors will now be calibrated. Please ensure that the targets are not exposed to motion during this time, as it will cause inaccurate calibration and malfunction. Please wait. Motion sensors are now stable. This simulation begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. So again, got it. This one is not aimed at an optimal angle, which is good for me. There's one right above my head to the right. I got it just in time. Hopefully you saw that. Got it? Got it. So this one is...
Your simulation was completed in 0 minutes and 51.57 seconds. You have set a record for simulation 8. Well done.
Stealth mode is a truly unique function, and it is the high point of this simulation center. Now, once combatants know where all of the targets are, reflex action will come into play, and they will improve based on knowing where the targets are. But that's the great thing about the targets, they can be moved. So if you have 10 combatants playing this, certain combatants will be eliminated via motion sensing, some will make it through, and those that make it through the first time will have obviously done a better job than those who got eliminated. And across those who were able to complete the simulation, one of them will have a high score. Now you could run through 3 different times and get the best combined scores, and obviously those who were not able to complete the simulation will be either eliminated or have points deducted. Placement of the smart sensors and the smart sensor motion sensors is paramount for this simulation. But this offers a tremendous amount of feedback. The targets can see you. You have full control where the targets are looking, and the distance is quite good. In the case of some of the targets that you just saw, I purposely aimed a few of them away from me because my basement is not the perfect example of a training center or an apartment room clearing area. Subsequent videos will hopefully be simulated in a proper military or police training facility or an airsoft facility. So if you have any questions, please check us out at betteraim.com. Send us a message. We'll happily answer your questions. We are target specific, and we're going to be building lots and lots of new units, including wireless units. So please feel free to drop by, chat us up if you have any interest, and thanks again for watching.